Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I created this look. Some fall-a-day. It's kind of like a fall-a-day. I actually don't hate that. It's like a fall-a-day look. Fall and holiday. Okay, so keep watching. To kick off my holiday-inspired look, I'm just going to prep my skin. I'm using our citrusy mask and daily moisturizer. And I'm just going to use this all over my face. Next, to even my complexion, I'm using our Tinted Cover Foundation in the shade Nude 3, pumping a little bit to the back of my hand. Using a synthetic blending brush, I'm just going to buff that all over my face. I love our Tinted Cover Foundation because it's sheer to medium coverage, so it just allows your skin to shine through. It has a beautiful dewy finish. It's super hydrating, it's skincare infused, and it just makes your skin look really fresh and healthy. Next, I'm using our Nudefix Cream Concealer in the shade Nude 3, and I'm just going to place this in the center of my face wherever I want to cover redness or blemishes. Because this is more of like a glam holiday look, I am going to be applying a little bit more concealer. This is probably going to be my first coat, and then I'll probably apply a little bit more concealer after I do my eyeshadow. Love how lightweight our concealer is. If you haven't tried our concealer or haven't heard about it yet, our concealer is a beautiful skincare infused product developed with beautiful botanical vegan powered extracts to help balance the skin's microbiome. So it's going to treat your skin and cover any blemishes, hyperpigmentation, redness, under eye circles that you may have. It is quite buildable, so it's sheer to medium coverage, but you can really achieve that medium coverage with just one extra layer. Next, to sculpt my face, I'm using our Tinted Blur Stick in the shade Medium 7. I love this product to sculpt because it is such a sheer natural formulation. It's a cream to powder formula, so it blends into the skin so beautifully. And I like to just dot it wherever I want to look sculpted and more defined. So for me, it's around the forehead, the hollow of my cheek, and my jawline. I just kind of draw little lines, or you can dot it, or you can swipe it, whatever you prefer. And I'm also going to take a little bit right underneath my lip just to give me the illusion of a fuller lip. Look how beautiful that blends. Just diffuses into the skin so naturally. I also like to take a little bit of my contour and just blend that up into the crease. Next, I'm going in with our Glow 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 holiday kit. That is super cute. You could even hang it on your tree, or just, you know, give it as a really cute gift to a family member or a friend. It has 3 pieces in here. They're all minis. So you have our Nudies Glow in the shade Bubbly Bebe, our Magnetic Eye Color in the shade Sunrise Star, and our Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in the shade Pulse. So I'm using our Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Sunrise Star. It's a little bit more luminous than our other Magnetic Eye Color, so it's very festive. So you can either use your fingers to blend that, or you can use a synthetic blending brush just to blend out the edges. I personally like to just diffuse the crease really lightly. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that same color and just use that underneath my lash line. Next, I'm taking our mini Bubbly Bebe, which is available in the Glow 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 kit, and I'm just gonna use that right in the center of the lid for more of a glossy look, and then in the inner corners as well. Cheekbones, brow bone. Next, I'm using another holiday kit called Pretty Nude Glow, and this features 2 full-size nudies. One is our Nudies Blush in the shade Body Language, and the other is a Nudies Bloom in the shade Sweet Peach Peony. So I'm starting with our Nudies Matte Blush in the shade Body Language, which is such a beautiful, versatile shade. It's a really nice rosy neutral. And I'm just gonna pop this on my cheeks. So I love to mix and match my blushes, especially if they're different textures, just because I find that it adds a little bit more dimension to the skin and creates a really nice monochromatic look. So next I'm taking our Nudies Bloom in the shade Sweet Peach Peony, which is super peachy, and it's going to really bring the eye and the cheeks together. If you wanted to add a little bit more glow because we want to be a little bit more festive, I love our magnetic nude glimmers because they are a little bit more pigmented and a little bit more luminous than our Nudies Glow. Our Nudies Glows are a little bit more sheer and more dewy. So I'm just gonna pop this on my cheekbones. And then you can use a brush or your fingers to kind of just pop that in, blend that into the skin. I'm also gonna take a little bit and just pop that right into the inner corner of my eye. For my lip, I'm using our Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the shade Vintage. I love this shade, especially if I'm going for like a really bright eye. I just find that it's bold, but it's also toned down a little bit. So it's kind of like this really nice brick red color. And I'm gonna wear this as my lip liner and my lip color, and maybe apply a little bit to the cheeks, we'll see. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more concealer around the lip to clean that up, and I'm also going to use it around the eye. I don't know why, but I don't breathe when I do my makeup, so that's why I'm taking these deep breaths, because I need to remind myself to breathe. And then if you want, you can take some of the extra product that is from your lips and just really lightly swipe that on the cheeks. We're just applying a little bit, not too much, just again to create a little bit more of a monochromatic vibe. As you can tell, I love mixing so many different tones of blushes. Finish it off, I'm using our Nudefix Lash Lengthening Mascara. Obviously, if you wanted to, you can apply a wing liner on top. I just wanted to keep this really simple. I didn't want to go in with a liner. I just felt like with the bold lip, it would be a lot. So that's why I'm not, but whatever you prefer. So this is my final holiday glam look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday and hopefully can spend some time with some family during these times. And yeah, comment below if you want to see any other looks. And I'll see you guys soon.